Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5085516 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to go to Windows Update in Windows Settings, and over here you can see Pause Updates. Click on Pause over here. And once it is paused, now click on Resume Updates and then you can check. So sometimes just pausing and resuming the updates works, so you can try this and then check. If that does not work, type in Services in Windows search box, click on Services. Scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set this to automatic. Click on Apply. Click on Start if highlighted. Then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on Restart. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Make a double click. Set this to automatic. Click on Apply. Click on Start if highlighted. And then make a right click and then click on Restart. Now find App Readiness. Make a double click on App Readiness. Set this to automatic. Click on Apply. Click on Start if highlighted. Click on OK. Make a right click and then click on Restart. Now once this is done, go back to Windows Update. Now over here, if you see Check Update or Retry option, you can click on Retry over here and then check. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box. Make a right click on Command Prompt tab. Make sure that you run Command Prompt as an administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the Enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the Enter key. Now once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the Enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5085516 over here, and then click on search. The link is provided in the video description. Now let me change the language over here. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box. Click on WinVer run command. Now in my case the version is 25H2. So check your version and then open Windows settings, go to system and then scroll down, go to about option and check your system type. So for me the system type is 64-bit operating system. Check your system type, and then for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5085516 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually. Just follow the on-screen instruction and you can install this update manually, and once that is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option, go to Recovery option. Here you can see Fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on Reinstall now. This process will take a long time. It will take some time, and once this is complete, restart your computer and then you can update your Windows 11. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file and then click on accept. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop and then click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish and then let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.